The next generation of Ego has arrived, and it's more powerful than ever. Introducing the new Ego Power Plus cordless blower, delivering an astonishing 530 cubic feet of airflow per minute. That's more than almost every handheld gas blower on the market. Weighing in at only 7 pounds, the newly redesigned Ego Power Plus blower is not only more powerful, but incredibly lightweight. Equipped with an all-new high-efficiency brushless motor and 2.5 amp-hour battery, runtime has been extended to 75 minutes on a single charge. A variable speed control allows you to dial in the power you need for the job, from more delicate areas of the yard to heavy-duty applications. And Turbo gives you the ultimate clearing power for yard debris. The Ego Power Plus battery is part of a system and can be used on any tool for maximum versatility and value. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the most advanced platform. Ego, power beyond belief.
The Aquar House Hydrant is a revolutionary faucet system that makes access to your water easy and enjoyable. With the Aquar connector attached to your garden hose, simply plug into the hydrant for instant water access. Water automatically turns on as soon as you connect. No more threading on your hose, no more leaks or drips, just water when you need it. When you're done, just untwist and go. Water automatically stops and the hydrant is protected down to negative 30 degrees. Made from food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty DuPont Delring, Aquar hydrants are durable and built to last. We make products that you'll actually enjoy using. With Aquar, you'll save time and water.
With Automower by Husqvarna, who needs you? It's the original yard robot. It goes around your trees and flower beds. It goes up hills up to 30 degrees in grade. Even does narrow areas and walkways. Automower beautifully manicures your lawn automatically. Imagine a lot more mower and a lot less of you. Automower from Husqvarna.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain. saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus 15-inch brushless string trimmer delivers the ultimate in power and cut capacity. An all-new brushless motor produces 5,500 RPMs of cutting power, clearing even the most aggressive overgrowth, weeds, and brush with ease. It's fueled by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 45 minutes of runtime and fully recharges in only 40 minutes. The dual twist .095 string line clears a full 15-inch cut swath, and the bump feed head ensures cutting line is there when it's needed. Its durable construction is backed by a 5-year warranty. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools, so you never have to stop what you're doing. A string trimmer with maximum clearing power that doesn't need a tune-up. The Ego 56-volt 15-inch brushless string trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Ego, power beyond belief.